Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras from Sony, the Sony A7E and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. These cameras are packed with incredible features, and we're here to help you decide which one suits your needs better. So let's dive right in. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Sony A7E boasts an advanced 24.2 MP full-frame image sensor with a 1.8x readout speed, providing stunning clarity and sharpness. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with a fast Bions X processor. While both sensors excel in different scenarios, they offer impressive image quality overall. If you're a videographer or content creator, video performance is crucial. The Sony A7E supports 4K recording and offers a 15-stop dynamic range, 14-bit uncompressed RAW, with ISO ranging from 50 to 204,800. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers 4K movie recording oversampled from 6K, ensuring exceptionally detailed footage. It also features a dedicated product showcase setting and a background defocus button for added creative control. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel in their own ways. The Sony A7E boasts an impressive 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering 93% of the image area. This ensures accurate and fast focus tracking, perfect for capturing any subject. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 also features reliable autofocus capabilities, ensuring sharp and well-focused shots. Now, let's talk about the price. The Sony A7E is priced at $1,998 USD, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at $798 USD. Keep in mind that pricing may vary depending on your location and any ongoing promotions. Nevertheless, both cameras offer exceptional value for their respective price points. And there you have it. We've compared the Sony A7E and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 in various categories. Whether you prioritize image quality, video performance, autofocus, or price, both cameras deliver outstanding results. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth camera reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.